Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys brightness setting, and today video title is guys how can we disable reading mode setting in our phone. Friends, you want to disable your phone reading mode setting, so how can you disable? Guys, you don't want to use guys reading mode setting, so guys you can disable this reading mode setting in your phone. Today I will show you, I will tell you guys how to disable reading mode setting in our phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable it. After on phone setting, I scroll it friends, click on guys in your phone guys, you can see the display setting and any brightness setting. So guys tap here, then guys again scroll it friends, you can see your reading mode setting guys, tap on reading mode setting guys, then guys you can see your reading mode setting guys. So friends, you can see right side this icon, tap here to disable this reading mode. After disable guys, you cannot use guys, you can see skin color is normal, and fine we cannot use our reading mode setting now. So like that guys, we can disable reading mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye friends.